marker. That's the deficient area. It's a little deficient in area, and I'm going to wheel that up a little bit to make it fit that steel buck a little better. I'm going to put a little pressure on here, and I'm going to concentrate my wheeling right in that spot. But if I do that totally, I'm going to make what I call a mushroom. So you have to bring some of your wheel strokes into the surrounding territory and kind of blend it in. But we want the emphasis to be within that circle if we want that stretch to happen to allow it to fit better. So work that in that area and blend it in. I'm going to lower my pressure just a little bit. Aluminum moves real fast, so you got to be careful that you don't make too much stretch. If you do, you can fix it. Everything's fixable. A little unevenness right over here, and I'm going to kind of fix that too. I can see it. The stair over there. I'm going to pause for a second. I'm going to feel this with my hand. Feeling pretty good. So I'm just going to give it a little extra. It was actually running a little bit into this other station. So I'm going to come in a little deeper here. Get a little more stretch going into here. And literally this is only moving the metal probably like 20, 30 thousandths of an inch. It's really close. You always strive for perfection of your panel. It'll reflect the light better. It'll just present better. And typically on edge, you want to do 45s like this. You're wheeling at a 45-degree angle, and that will be more efficient manner of doing that edge. If you go at a 90-degree like this, you tend to fall off the edge. At the 45, you don't. You go 45 this way, and 45 this way. I'm staying right off the edge. The edge has already got too much metal there, so come up to the edge, but not right on the edge. Blending this all together. This, after you get the experience, this all comes and flows all naturally, and you know how to steer it really easily. And the true test, again, is always how the light reflects on it and how your hand rubs on it. You can feel any little defects, and the final arbiter is going to be that buck. We're going to put it on the buck and check it in a minute. I'm going to lower the pressure a little bit. I'm in the real light pressure zone now, where I'm just doing that little final blend. And the object here first is to achieve closest I can to perfection for fit on the buck. And then after I attain that goal, there still could be a few little visual defects in the surface, and that would be the final wheel, that you wheel the whole panel with a super light pressure, and you'll remove all those little tiny defects. I think that might do.